In the realm of wholesome dietary choices, few ingredients have garnered as much acclaim as olive oil. Renowned for its multifaceted benefits, olive oil, a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, has captivated the attention of health enthusiasts and researchers alike. Recent studies have unearthed a captivating revelation. The integration of just half a tablespoon of olive oil into your daily regimen possesses the potential to bestow remarkable advantages upon your body. This video explores the remarkable outcomes that can unfold when this liquid gold becomes a consistent part of your daily routine. Promotes heart health. One of the most well-known benefits of olive oil is its positive impact on heart health. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, specifically oleic acid, which has been linked to lower levels of bad cholesterol and increased levels of good cholesterol. Consuming half a tablespoon of olive oil daily can contribute to reduced risk factors for cardiovascular diseases, including hypertension and atherosclerosis. Antioxidant powerhouse. Olive oil is packed with powerful antioxidants, such as vitamin E and polyphenols. These compounds help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, which are key factors in the development of chronic diseases, including cancer and neurodegenerative disorders. Adding olive oil to your diet can provide an extra layer of defense against these health concerns. Weight management. Contrary to the misconception that all fats are harmful for weight management, the healthy fats in olive oil can actually support weight loss and maintenance. Consuming a small amount of olive oil can help you feel more satiated and reduce overall calorie intake. Additionally, the monounsaturated fats in olive oil have been shown to enhance fat oxidation and promote the breakdown of stored fats. Cognitive function. Emerging research suggests a connection between olive oil consumption and improved cognitive function. The antioxidants in olive oil play a role in protecting brain cells from damage and preserving cognitive abilities as you age. Regular consumption of olive oil, even in small amounts, may contribute to better memory, focus, and overall brain health. Skin and hair benefits. Olive oil's benefits extend beyond internal health. The vitamin E and antioxidants in olive oil are known to support healthy skin and hair. Incorporating a mere half a tablespoon into your daily diet can help moisturize the skin, reduce the appearance of aging, and add shine to your hair. Digestive aid. Olive oil has been used traditionally to promote healthy digestion. It can stimulate the production of bile, aiding in the digestion and absorption of nutrients. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of olive oil can help soothe the digestive tract and alleviate discomfort. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many health problems, including autoimmune diseases and heart disease. The monounsaturated fats and antioxidants in olive oil contribute to its potent anti-inflammatory effects. By including a small amount of olive oil in your daily diet, you can help modulate inflammatory responses in the body. Bone health enhancement. Olive oil contains compounds that support bone health, particularly in aging individuals. Research suggests that the polyphenols in olive oil may help increase bone mineral density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Adding a small amount of olive oil to your diet can contribute to stronger bones and better skeletal integrity. Diabetes management. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil can have positive effects on blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity. Incorporating olive oil into meals may help regulate blood glucose levels, making it a valuable addition to the diets of individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Longevity benefits. The Mediterranean diet, which includes olive oil as a prominent component, has been associated with increased longevity and a lower risk of age-related diseases. Olive oil's ability to improve heart health, reduce inflammation, and support various bodily functions contributes to its potential role in promoting a longer and healthier life. Embracing the practice of consuming half a tablespoon of olive oil daily can bring about a multitude of benefits for your body and overall well-being. From strengthening bones and aiding in diabetes management to potentially contributing to a longer life, the advantages of this simple dietary habit are far-reaching.